So how does the DSCR ratio actually work? It's pretty simple. The first part of the equation is the rent. Now, if there is a lease in place, then that's the amount of rent the bank is going to use. This is especially important on a refinance. If there is no lease in place, then the bank is going to take the market rent from the appraisal. The other half of the equation is the mortgage payment. Now, in this case, we're talking about the principal and interest on the mortgage, plus property taxes and any insurances on the property. This is called the PITI. So now let's use an example. Let's say you're purchasing a property and the market rent is $3,000 a month, and then the total mortgage payment is $3,000 a month. 3,000 divided by 3,000 equals 1. That is a 1.0 DSCR. Now, some banks offer a 1.0 DSCR loan, but not all banks do. Some banks, especially commercial banks, are a lot more conservative, and they're going to look for a 1.25 debt service coverage ratio. So that means on that same property, if the mortgage is $3,000 a month, the market rent would actually have to be $4,000 a month. The reasoning behind this is that if the bank had to foreclose on the property, they want to make sure that that rent is going to cover the mortgage payment, plus them paying a management company to actually manage the rental property and any other expenses. Now, on the other hand, some banks will actually take on more risk and they'll go to a negative DSCR. Now, let's say you're purchasing a home and the rental income is actually less than you expected. And on that same property, it came in at $2,250 a month. Well, if you take $2,250 divided by $3,000 on your mortgage payment, you're going to get a 0.75 DSCR. If a bank does go to a lower debt service coverage ratio, usually they're going to charge you a little bit higher rate or a higher fee as they are taking on more risk with that loan. If you're interested in seeing if the DSCR loan is an option for you or any other type of a mortgage product, please feel free to contact me anytime or reach out through my website.